Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the Kata Box 2. If you guys remember, we did an unboxing a year ago, 2 years ago, of the Kata Box 1, the first version that they have. Okay? I'm not sure about the main differences. I think ito kasi may Bluetooth na, no? I don't remember kung isa meron. Just watch it na lang. So, medyo mahirap. Okay, so there's the Kata Box. Okay, it comes with the manual, the actual unit. Okay, so it's the same pa rin, ano? If you look at the unit, it still looks the same as the first one. Still has two USB ports, one here on the side and one in the back. Okay, it has an HDMI cable. Ito yung DC, yung power. It has an AV cable, yung audio-visual cable. If you remember dun sa video we did with the first one, you can actually connect this using RCA cable, ano? The red, white, and yellow cables, the ones that you use for the standard TV, the old TVs. So may LAN cable, okay? It also has a memory card slot if you want to put one for additional storage, okay? It also comes with this remote control, okay, and its power cable, okay. Price wise, I think it's on sale right now. I checked the Facebook page ng Kata. It's about 2,499 pesos. So it's affordable, no? It can help make your dumb TV smart. So basically, you can connect this to your TV or any monitor, no, kahit computer monitor, and use it as an Android TV. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of my monitors now. I have one old monitor here, just right beside my table. Okay, so we're gonna pause this video and we're gonna come back with the new setup so that you can see how it is. Okay. Now, we have it on already. Okay. There's the interface that you're gonna be seeing if you use one. You can actually also connect a mouse. So, titingnan natin yan. I'm connecting a mouse right now. See? Kita nyo, gumagalaw. So, yan. I connected the power and the HDMI cable in the back. Okay. So, now, wait, oops, sorry. Gawin natin ng konti. Okay. I'm using the Xiaomi Redmi 6A for the video now. So here it is. Okay. The settings. Okay, as you can see, may Bluetooth na siya. May Bluetooth siya. You can also control the audio video. Okay. If you're using a mouse, left click is to go inside, right click is to back. Okay. Kita nyo? Okay. So, available storage is 6 GB, 1 GB used, so I assume this is an 8 GB device. Okay. Sorry, nagtatype ako. Okay. So, pre-installed Kata Cloud. Ito yung version nila ng Google Drive. Okay. I installed iFlix already. There's a browser. I installed also that so that para makapag-browse tayo, no? It comes with WPS Office na pre-installed. Okay. Ayun yung browser. May browser din siya. May browser na pala. I didn't see. File Explorer, Photos. Don't expect the Google Play to be the same as what you see on the phones, ano? Because the phones iba to, it's Android TV yung setup niya. Hindi pala lalabas, sorry, kasi wala tayong internet. Okay, so you can also connect a LAN cable. So LAN cable na lang kabit natin para mas mabilis. Okay, yeah, for those guys, ang LAN cable po ito, yung RJ45, ano. Okay. Okay, so we're connecting it there. Okay. So the Kata Box 2 uses an Amlogic 5905 na 2 GHz 64-bit quad-core Cortex A53 processor. It's supposed to have a RAM of 1 GB. Internal niya ay 16 GB na, no? Pero as you can see, malaki yung kinakain nung OS. 6 GB na lang natira. So I suggest you guys put in an SD card, okay? You can also pair this with wala yatang internet. You can also pair this with controllers so that you can actually play games. Isang maganda dito, no, they have the EM market. These are all style games. Nandito yung NES, Mario Brothers, mga ganong games. So marami kang malalaro. Ayaw connect sa internet. So let's turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay. Dito na lang sa Wahpinas. Okay. Kung makakakonect pa siya. Matagal. Dito na lang. So hi guys, yan, we've been finally able to connect it sa Wi-Fi. Mine is having a problem sa bahay, ano. So I connected it using my phone Wi-Fi, okay, para mas madali. So you can type using your mouse, or you can use one of this and just put the dongle, okay, para mas madali. Okay, so it should be on. Okay, so Netflix kunyari, although I already have it. So there you can watch Netflix if you want. You can also play, may pre-install siyang games na dalawa, yan, okay. Reaper and Bomb Squad. I play Bomb Squad with my kids. So yung EM market, let's see, yan, no? So you can play Atari, Game Boy Classic, and NES and Super NES games. Okay, so meron siyang, you can download the emulator, and then there are the games that you can play. Same with the Super NES. So ayan yung games that you can play. Marami pa, 50 games yung ano. So let's Mario Brothers. Oh, walang Mario Brothers. So that's it for the quick unboxing of the Kata Box 2. You can get it from any Kata store, or I think you can also buy it online on Shopee and Lazada. Thanks guys, bye!